Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable night light for Samsung Galaxy Book. And to do this, we'll need to click on the start, then select that gear icon and enter the settings. Now we can go for the system settings, and here you'll find the night light. When you click on it, it will activate. When you click again, it will turn off. You can also go for the night light settings and schedule this option for the certain time. You can go for a sunset to sunrise or set your hours manually. This will make the nightlight enable automatically during these hours. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.